welcome to or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the mini braid protective style for the rest of August. If you're interested, then keep watching. So I've already deep conditioned and washed my hair, and all I have in it right now is the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture, Jamaican black castor oil, tools to part your hair and to hold your hair out of the way. I'm gonna start off by taking my hair out of the bun, split it into two sections. Okay, so once I have the section that I want to work with done, I'm then going to spray it with some water. Go in with your product and then go in with your oil. You want to coat your hair and your scalp, and then it's gonna start braiding. And when you have a hairstyle like this, you want to make sure that you put a lot of oil and a lot of products on it that will keep your hair moisturized for however long you're going to leave your hair in the protective style. So once the braid is done, I'm then going to take a tiny bit of my product and just moisturize the whole braid and then twirl my ends. And that is basically how they're gonna look. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple more times how I do it, just in case you didn't get it the first time. So I just wet the whole section to start off with, and then once I start parting them into the actual braid sections, I put my product on, I put oil on the hair and on the scalp, and just make sure I coat each strand of hair and massage it into my scalp. And then coat your hair in more products, twirl your ends. Go with the brothers, you know how we do.
To say you love, it's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, you know how we do. It's for me to say. Go with the brothers, you know how we do.
Okay guys, so now that I have my back section completely braided, I then go into front and part it how I normally part my hair. Okay, so I start like this and I just part. So now we're going to split this into two, start braiding. You also want to go in with some gel to make sure that your edges are laid down.
Go with the brothers, you know how we do.
Okay, and then continue this throughout the whole section.
Go with the brothers, you know how we do. Go with the brothers,
not for me to say you love.
Go with the brother who you know how we do. It's go with the brother who you know how we do.
It's not for me to say.
Go with the brother who you know how we do.
Alright guys, so I am 100% done with my hair and this is the finished look. I would say it took me about 2 hours to get all of these done. Not a long time compared to other hairstyles. I usually leave this in for about a week or two. I'm going to try to go as long as possible with these and take care of them. So how I am going to take care of it is I'm just going to refresh it with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to oil it up every time it starts to look dry. Put water on it, put a scarf on it at night. I have a video also related to this hairstyle coming up soon, so stay tuned for that one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.